Okay, so we're actually in Bequia at the hotel. I can show you a tour, house tour. I look so rough. I'm not wearing any makeup.
Welcome to my humble estate.
MTV Cribs. This is the first bedroom.
Let's do next bedroom.
Why are you not focusing on these moments?
Oh my god. We're here in the bathroom, you know. So this is the other bedroom. And it goes right into
I really like this one.
the bathroom. Here's a mess. Everything's a mess. So I'm just gonna do a little makeup real quick.
Papa, here you take this? Yeah, this one.
Sorry if it's a little slanted. I'm trying to like do like a makeshift thing and it's not working. I just used my Summer Fridays jet lag mask and also hangover primer. Now I'm just gonna do a little concealer, nothing too crazy.
Use your money where you want to be, like vibrationally. You can talk to all the time. This is literally abundance right now.
This is literally. So I usually highlight. This is usually where I always put my concealer, and sometimes I like take extra that's right under my eye and I put it like right underneath here.
I don't want to get it.
You don't want to what? Well, wake up?
I don't want to get it. Wanna come sit, Joshua? Learn something?
Oh shit, learn something.
Guys, support.
If anyone needs
It's
to
really
do
good.
their
Can we like get some
have
silence? I'm putting on, now I'm gonna do bronzer because, did I bring bronzer? Dude, I think I did.
I didn't bring.
What?
I didn't bring bronzer. Or
I did.
Can I use that? And I need
I use the
what's it called?
MAC Studio Fix powder.
Fan. Listen to me. When you're a fan, okay, Too Faced.
I love it.
Yeah, this is what I'm using for foundation.
kind of want
This is so awkward.
Oh, I didn't know what you were doing. I thought you were just sitting in a corner.
Right? I'm not gonna say the name.
Yeah.
Just read the damn thing. Y'all
That's
have
what-
eyes.
I was like, how are you
Y'all have
depressed?
eyes, okay?
And we're in such a beautiful
No.
area. I know everybody's like,
I'm
why
not a
are
makeup
we,
artist.
Why are we wearing makeup? We're going, but we want to take pictures, so that's why I'm wearing.
I'm not a
makeup.
makeup artist. Don't come for me.
And I really just want to look.
Do not
like,
comment on my shit.
sun-kissed.
Much concealer. You don't want to overdo your shit. Okay?
No, you don't. We're literally only just looking.
If anyone needs to do their hair,
Decent.
I have a hair straightener.
Oh, thank you. I didn't bring mine, but I brought my wave spray. I'm thinking I'm going curly. I feel like
change
I
your
put
life.
on way too
It'll
much
change
blush,
your
but
life
blush is like
forever.
the first thing that comes off. Okay, so we're actually here. I keep forgetting to vlog. We're here at the Liming, which is a hotel resort in Bequia.
Oh, that's cute.
Anyway, this is so pretty. We're gonna look at the menu and see if we can afford it.
No, we're gonna see what's
Being
on the menu
honest.
for dinner.
Oh, okay, because we can apparently afford it. So.
You can afford anything, okay?
So I don't want people to look at me like I'm weird. So I'm gonna stop.
It's really good. Yeah. Question. Was it just attire or can I wear like this? Okay, good. Thanks. Thanks.
The art of doing nothing. I love it.
I
Oh my god, honey.
The art of doing nothing. How cute is that?
Where we going?
We're going to get lunch.
By Keegan's.
Everything's a mess.
Sandy! Sandy!
She's cute. Where are we going now?
Spring.
We're going to Spring.
We're going to Spring.
Sounds good.
Meh. Meh.
Oh, he's replying to you.
Meh. I don't know how that goat got inside. Cows are sacred in your religion, so.
What do you know? What you know how to say it in Indian?
Guy.
Muchi.
Guy. What the
They're
hell are you
called
talking
guy.
about?
They're called guys.
Muchi. Have you all ever watched Queen Victoria and Abdul and Victoria?
No.
Oh my god, I cried.
What is that? What is
Abdul
that
had
even?
gonorrhea though. He was an Indian
What
servant
is going on?
who was close with Victoria. But they were like, I don't know what you can call it, boy. That was confusing to me. If any of y'all want cinnamon tea,
What are we doing? Oh, return room.
Cinnamon tea. Where do we get that from?
from the cinnamon bush.
Okay, so where's the cinnamon bush? Okay.
Right there, yeah.
Oh yes, yes, yes. All right. Damn, I forgot to take tea bags.
So we actually
No, there's
can.
actually some tea and some sundae and stuff in the place.
Oh, nice.
So let's see what they have. I'm not sure they have tea.
Well, if anything, we just go to a cafe and get some.
Oh, and to me, Shweta is going to be people.
We're here at Turtle Sanctuary. And it's really risky that I'm using my phone outside the window, but the lights.
Exactly what I'm doing. You're Squirtle, she is Bulbasaur, and you're Charmander.
What does that mean?
Charmander.
Bulbasaur.
What's
Yeah,
that?
she is Charmander.
Why?
It's a fire element.
So what am I? What
You're
element am I?
Bulbasaur.
You're
What is
Bulbasaur.
that?
Because it's
Earth.
Earth.
Oh, cool. What is that? What is his power?
She or he, they control the plants around them.
Joshua, talk about how proud you are to be Vincentian.
I am so proud to be Vincentian.
That's it?
Or why?
So proud to be Vincentian.
Yeah, talk about why.
The best curry in the Caribbean.
And the best pillow.
Best pilau.
Best, yeah.
Second of all, you don't have to go to the Bahamas to see small islands. You can come to St. Vincent. If you want to get mountains, you don't have to go to Dominica. You can get at St. Vincent too. Bahamas
Lucky
is
bitch, you have such a
Bahamas
nice
is Bahamas. It's just like
It's just Bahamas.
it's just basic. You're not seasoning their
It's
food
overrated.
properly.
Oh,
Yeah.
Honestly.
And the people there are not the nicest. So
Yeah,
I
they're
wonder why you would say that.
had an experience.
Mm.
Let's let's not get into that.
Okay.
But,
Let's leave it at that.
Let's leave it at
Let's
that.
leave it at
But to be honest, Vincentian people, I've never been up here, and I don't think
Okay.
we're trying to do that.
that. Okay.
Because
Why not?
She's coming in
Take
at
the
5
chance.
and it's
Oh, it's 5. I thought it was 5:30.
no,
Woman, she left at
Oh, sorry.
4.
Okay, let's go. We're gonna go get.
Ornella, who is my Bulgarian friend. She
And
likes fat
she's-
people, so I appreciate that.
I'm already tired, you guys.
This is the one who said she's gonna wake up 5 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my
Kill the flower.
god.
I can't. It's okay.
How are you?
Good, glad to be on land. So we're here at, what do you call this? Spring Top, I think. The lighting is crazy because the sun is setting soon. Actually, is it? It's 5 o'clock. So yeah, soon. And this is our view. Let me show you guys. I don't even know like how my hair got like this, but it's okay. I don't know what's going on, but I'm going.
Where's the key?
I have it.
Why is there a monkey now?
I don't even know why I'm like videotaping this part.
Oh my god, we definitely have to swim.
That's the numbers.
Or we could swim at the length. Okay.
We're back at the house, you know.
I'm so hungry. Who broke the glasses?
Oh, it's mine. I broke my glasses.
Did you guys
literally broke today.
Did you guys?
I mean,
I'm
I'm
like
just
sleeping
showing
with.
her the house. We can sleep anywhere we want. There's that room. I don't know if she... Can you open that door and see if it opens?
Did you guys put the juice in the refrigerator?
Yeah, she said the fridge isn't working, so we had to use some other fridge.
But there's a small one there.
Yeah, that's the only fridge we had that's
So
working.
you guys put the juice
The
in
big
there?
one is not working.
Well, tell me that I didn't put the juice in.
No, we did. I think we did.
Look at Troy's hair standing and watching.
Anyways, I'm gonna go take a shower. It's 5:30 and dinner's at 7:30, so we need to get ready. Okay, so I just got out the shower and I got dressed. So we're getting ready for dinner. I'm gonna do my makeup now, and this is what I'm wearing. I will show you a full outfit thing when I go to the mirror after I get dressed fully, put on my makeup, everything. That is when I will do the whole outfit situation. See you in a second. Okay, so I'm about to do my makeup. I haven't done my hair yet, obviously. back from dinner. We went to dinner at the Liming for her birthday. I don't even know. Anyway, so we're back and I'm very tired, and I know I didn't vlog anything else. We're gonna go to sleep now because we're very
Who's
tired.
sleeping?
Why does it look like I'm crying?
About to get some.
Anyway, I don't like this lighting, so let's go.
This is all you could get.
Okay, bye.
Parents not together anymore, you know.
Using. Like me has Monica.
Okay, so it's the next morning and I woke up not too long ago. I'm really tired. We have no breakfast here, so we have to like go out and get breakfast. So we're all gonna get dressed to go and eat.
Boys will ask her for it.
We just had breakfast and now we're gonna go to the beach. Walk to Princess Margaret and then we'll see.
Oh, when I came down the boat, no, it was actually like one of those. When I came down the boat and I said, can I have a
I'll see you guys.
Boring people. Gotta reach faster.
We're walking to Princess Margaret.
No, beach back. And we ate, and now we're going to
What?